This is the pattern for the mask: outer fabric, inner fabric, and filter pocket fabric. This is the pattern for filter pocket opening. Cut 2 each of the outer and inner fabric. Cut 1 of each pattern with the filter pocket fabric. Pin the right sides together for outer and inner fabric. Pin the filter pocket as well. With 3/8 seam allowance, saw along the pinned line. It's all stitched. Iron the seam butterfly opened. Prepare the filter pocket. Now, roll the shorted edge twice in 1/4 inch. Pin and saw along the folded edge. Line up in the following order: right side outer fabric, wrong side filter pocket, wrong side inner fabric. Pin upper line and the bottom line. Leave both ends opened. Here is the result. Now we will turn it inside out. Hold filter pocket and inner fabric. Then turn inside out. After laying flat and iron it, sew a holding stitch if you can. Stitch in the rear end to hold the fabrics together. It is not necessary. Now we will make the casings for the elastic band. I serged the two ends, but it is not necessary. Fold 1/4 inch and then fold another 3/8 or 1/2 inch to make an elastic band casing. Pin and saw. This is the opening of the filter pocket. Run through the elastic band. Measure the size and zigzag stitch the elastic on overlap. Hide the stitches inside the casing. This is the other side of the filter pocket. Voila! We're done! Thank you for watching the video. Upcoming will be the making the filter for the face mask.